So you want to add a series to a Google Sheet. We got our employee names here, and we want to add IDs 1 through however many people there are. If we have our names already and we have some data inside of our cells in column C and we want to put our numbers in column B, there's a really easy way to do this. You can just do 1 and 2, and then select 1 and 2. There is a little blue dot in the bottom right corner. Once you see a crosshairs, you can double click that, and magically it will fill in for however many names you have. However, if you add a name here, add a name, it doesn't continue. So I'm going to show you how that could be. Well, we could do equals sequence, and the sequence is going to be some numbers of rows. We're going to use count all 3:C, and it's going to count however many things are inside of the C column from C3 all the way to C. And if you want to see what that would look like, we can put in this cell here, and that's 19. And then when I go down one more name, and I see now it's 20, right? So to sequence count A C3:C, and that's our rows. Our column is only 1, our start is only 1, our step is only 1. And we might get a reference error if there's already IDs here. Let's delete those. And now magically, we have this formula here in B3 that's magically filling out this. And if we add one more name, magically that series is just continuing. That sequence is just continuing one at a time. And there's no data here. If you're trying to get all this data and you don't want that, you can Command-C, Shift+Cmd+V to paste values if you don't want that formula there anymore. But I think this is a really fun way to add a series to a Google Sheet.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.